Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your Gmail is showing this message not enough storage, so you won't be able to send or receive email. As you can see guys, don't panic. In this video I will show you how to fix this error step by step and free up your Gmail space in just few minutes. So let's get started. First let's see how much space is actually used in your Google free storage. Okay, to check this guys, close your email and open any web browser. Okay, and in the Google here you need to search Google, open google.com storage. Okay, like this, and open the first link, and here you can get the option clean up space. Just tap on it. Okay, now scroll down. Here you can get usage details. You can see the details which files and folder was taking too much space: Google Photos, Gmail and Google Drive. As you can see guys, if you want to clean any unused files, folder, videos, images stored in your Google storage, here you can get large photos and videos, large drive files, emails with large attachment, spam emails. So first I will suggest you go with large photos and videos and select all unused files stored in here. Okay, go back and same thing, open large drive files. Okay, tap on review and select all files stored in Google Drive and delete it. Okay, same thing, go with email with large attachment, review it and delete it. Okay, all unused email, and go to spam email, review it and delete it. Okay, so don't forget to delete the trash folder as well of Google Drive, Gmail and Google Photos. After doing this guys, close this and open the Gmail, try to send email or receive your email. Now it will work very smoothly and very fine. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to fix this storage issue on the Gmail app. Okay, so now your Gmail should be clean and the not enough storage warning will disappear. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.